What's up, world? Doing another really quick how-to video. I guess this is a common problem on these Traverses. We have a 2013 Traverse, and the brake lights don't work. My wife got stopped by somebody getting off the freeway saying that the brakes don't work, so it's a really easy fix. Pop the hood. Underneath you get this crazy fuse box. Look underneath, it tells you exactly what everything's for. Just make the shape match. It's really easy. And you'll see one here for stop lamps. It's a 10 amp fuse right there. And that one is no good. It's toasted. So easy fix. Got a fresh one. Put it in there. It's a different kind of fuse, so it sits a little bit higher, but it should still get the job done, at least in the interim. Fuse puller back in there, and we'll double check it, make sure everything's all good now. There we go. And that was just the two side brake lights weren't working. Just the bar on top was lighting up. Easy fix.